Hello everyone, today I am going to show you Google Pixel Watch video. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. The Pixel Watch is a good productivity smartwatch. Wearing a smartwatch has been a cutting-edge trend for people who enjoy keeping up with the latest technological advances. You can choose from a variety of smartwatch configurations and price points. Depending on the device's battery capacity and display mode, it will last for a longer period of time. Effective design. The Pixel Watch consists of 3 distinct layers, starting with a domed top glass that curves all the way to the recycled stainless steel side. According to an early measurement, the circular watch body is around 14 mm thick and over 40 mm wide, while the actual flat display looks to come in at approximately 30 mm wide or 1.18 inches. Google has not revealed what the display resolution is or what kind of glass protects it. Fitness features. The watch has received an impressive arsenal of sensors, but the basic functions that any overwhelming fitness bracelet is capable of are performed qualitatively. The pulse is measured correctly. The watch also knows how to recognize sleep phases and wake up in the correct phase. There is a built-in pedometer and a set of built-in training modes. There are a lot of the latter, from basic ones running, swimming, cycling to specific ones powerlifting, spinning, climbing stairs, and so on. As a companion device for training, the Pixel Watch is quite good. Heart rate monitor. Google Pixel Watch can track your heart rate all day to give key inputs to health and activity metrics like resting heart rate, active zone minutes, and more. Learn more about how to track heart rate. While the Pixel Watch can provide useful information about your heart rate and activity levels, it can accurately detect heart attacks. Active zone minutes. This feeds into active zone minutes, which is one of the ways the Pixel Watch helps you know how much fat you're burning and whether you're getting enough exercise or if you need a rest. You can define daily activity goals in zone minutes and set watch complications and tiles to show how many you're getting on a given day. Fitbit ECG app. The ECG app on Fitbit Sense works by measuring electrical signals in the user's heart to detect irregularities, such as atrial fibrillation. Users can take an ECG reading by placing their fingers on the watch's stainless steel ring for 30 seconds. The reading can then be saved and shared with healthcare professionals for further analysis. Send text. To send a text message from your Google Pixel Watch, you'll typically need to use voice commands, dictate the message, or use preset message templates. Pixel Watch may also offer handwriting recognition or keyboard input, depending on their features and capabilities. LTE Mixed. I used LTE Mixed a few times when paying, turned on streaming music, and made a short phone call. In this mode, about 15% of the charge per hour is consumed. GPS-tracked walks or runs are also resource-intensive. Apparently, it is GPS that consumes the most charge, so if you plan to use GPS or LTE, the watch is unlikely to survive until the next morning. Turn on the lights. Manage your connected home wherever you are. Easily control smart home devices right from your wrist. Turn up the heat, turn off the lights. Battery life. Another weak point of the Pixel Watch is autonomy. As I wrote at the beginning, in order to preserve the compactness of the device, the manufacturer sacrificed battery capacity, putting the battery at only 294 mAh. Google says the Pixel Watch will last up to 24 hours, which is a number you'll only get close to if you turn the always-on screen off. With the screen on and tracking 60 minutes of outdoor exercise each day, the watch struggled to make it through a day. And it was stressful trying to find time to charge it, so it was available to track my sleep.